Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Huawei Nova 11 Pro with me and I'm going to show you how you can make screenshots. The first and probably most common option is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time, and then it will make a screenshot. Next thing you can do is to knock on your screen with your knuckles like 2 times, and then it also will make a screenshot. We also have 2 other options, the scroll shot and the partial screenshot. And for the partial screenshot, you need to put your finger or your knuckle on the screen, leave it there for a second, and then draw an O. And now we can make like a partial screenshot with our O here. Let's save that. And we can also make a scroll shot. For that, you need to draw an S on the screen, and then you can extend your screen here. Now we go to our gallery, and here we have our screenshots, and here we have our partial screenshot. And then if you have like a scroll shot, you can just extend that, as I said, and then you have like a whole, I don't know, website there that you can view later on. If we go to our screenshots again, and we can edit them here, we can put filters on them, adjust them, and we have a lot more options here. So you can go ahead and be creative with that. So that's how you can do a screenshot on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.